Hello, I'm Mayor Walker Reid. During this unsettling time, due to the coronavirus outbreak, community centers, facilities, and parks in many cities were ordered to close. We have closed many of our facilities to the public as well for your health and safety. While they are closed, I want to let you know that we will be working on renovating some of these to keep our city moving so that we don't have to close them again in the near future. Here are some of the projects that your city council will approve at our next meeting. 4 of our recreation centers will have the floors renovated and painted. These are Bradley, Irwin, Phillips, and T. Jeffers. Also, the administrative offices of these rec centers will have new floors replaced and be painted, and the irrigation system at Sims Park will be replaced. We do not need more money to complete these projects because it comes from our current budget, and you will have the opportunity to see the details of our new budget in the coming months. Although the entire country is going through some tough times right now, I want you to know that the city of Gastonia is moving forward to make this great place even greater. Thank you.